Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to talk about the 5 huge mistakes new motorcyclists make. Cue the intro. Okay, let's talk about security. Mistake 1, and it's always mistake 1. You get your new bike, you park it up, I'm popping in to the supermarket or to get my hair cut. Half an hour I'll be gone. The bike will be fine. I don't need to put anything on it, and that is the problem. The thief is lazy, so he wants to steal something without any security on it, because for him, it's easy. Break the lock, leg it with the bike, easy. But if you chain your rear wheel to something that can't be moved, he can't wheel it away. If he's on top of that, he's got to cut off a disc lock off the front. 2 little bits of security that take you literally 30 seconds to put on your bike. That's what's going to stop that horrible, horrible person from stealing your hard-earned pride and joy. Okay, so mistake number 2 for a new rider is going out with your mates. Literally passing your test, getting your big bike and going out with your mates. Now we've all got them. We'll call this friend Jimmy, for example, who's experienced, been riding around, thinks he's really, really cool, you know, the really cocky one. And then he'll say, come along with me, I'll take you under my wing, I'll show you all the things that you need to know, and you go out with him. And this is the reason why.
My mate Jimmy, he's already gone. Gotta keep up with Jimmy. I'll be alright. Come on, bike. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, that was scary.
Or what you could do is get on your bike for the first few times and go out by yourself and enjoy it like this.
Okay, taking my time. Taking my time, cruising down some country lanes, quiet country lanes. Just enjoying every single second. Getting used to the bike. Not in a rush, not trying to keep up with anybody. This is really good. Just nice and easy. My pace, my time, find my feet, get used to this bike and really, really enjoy the ride. Nice and easy, lovely, perfect.
Okay, and now number 3. Now number 3 is that thing, and a lot of us do it. You pass your test, you get on this big powerful bike, and all you want to do is gun it. And I mean seriously gun it. And then something really bad happens, like this.
Now I've passed my test. I can gun it. I can absolutely gun it. I've passed. No one's watching me. I can gun it. Let's see what this bad boy can do. Let's do it! Woo! Got it! Got it! Got it! Ah! 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 Whoa, sheep! Sheep!
Or what you could do is get to know your bike properly, like this.
Okay, so I'm new to this, so I'm going to take my time. I'm going to accelerate up, get used to the power delivery of the bike, and enjoy it. I'm going to keep a good lookout and make sure I've got a decent distance in front of anything in front of me whatsoever, because I need to know I can brake. So I'm going to accelerate a little bit. I'm going to test out the brakes and just see how this bike feels. Bit of power, get myself going. I'm going to first of all get to about that 30 when I'm in town traffic, get used to it. Let's bring it down. Okay, the brakes aren't the best, but they're pretty good. But I'm used to that kind of stopping distance feel. I'm going to see what it's like when I get up to more like the 60, the UK's national speed limit. See how that feels. Let's get up to the 60. Nice and gentle, bring it up. I feel the power delivery. I can keep twisting back, bring on a little bit more, getting more and more and more used to it. Then I can just pop the brakes on. And know that this is a decent amount of distance when I'm doing this, so I need to stay a good few car lengths back to make sure I've got that time to stop. But I'm feeling better and more confident on this bike because I'm getting used to that power delivery, that surge. Feels pretty good. It feels pretty good.
And then there's number 4. Big mistake new riders make is cornering. They think that they can go around bends like they've just seen it on telly. They've just watched MotoGP, some kind of racing, and go, I can do that.
So as a new rider, you're instantly going to think, bend, cornering, I'm going to go quick. I've seen it on the telly, and they just bomb it. And they go in really quickly, and they go, whoa, this is too sharp. They lean up, and your bike will naturally come up. Before you know it, you're going to be in the ditch.
Or you can take your time and get very, very good at taking bends.
But to get quick at going around bends, the thing of it is, if you take it slow, you take your time, you lean with the bike will lean with you. And you can literally get your knee down at really slow pace, you really can. But the most important thing about the bike is, and getting used to it, is the corners itself. Having the confidence to lean into the bend, and the bike will go with you. And it'll be absolutely lovely. And you won't panic because you're not going silly fast. You don't feel like you're losing control. And again, build that confidence up. Nice and slow. Build it up. Nice and slow. You'll be surprised how great it feels.
And now number 5, the final one, and that's the bike gear, the stuff that keeps you protected and safe. Now, some new riders, I kind of put them into categories. You've got the ones that will go out to, say, a high street shop and buy themselves a fashion leather jacket because they think it looks cool and jump on a bike. And it's got minimal protection and it's going to really hurt if you come off. Don't get me wrong, it will hurt if you come off, but I mean, it will really hurt. This stuff is not designed for it whatsoever at all. And we like to call those sort of people special. And then you've got the sort of people that think that they look really cool because they can wear a tracksuit or shorts and t-shirts and go bombing around. Everyone else looks at you and thinks, what an absolute plonker. And then you've got your ultimate type, the ones that will go around without a helmet on. They don't care what's up here because they've got nothing up here. So they'll go around without a helmet on. I like to call them bell ends because they are the absolute plonkers of plonkers. Now, the biggest thing as a new rider and what you should really do is invest not just obviously in a good bike, but some really good kit, because this is what's going to really protect you when you have mistakes. And as new riders, we all make mistakes. We all drop bikes, you might come off, you are prone to make mistakes, and it is such an investment to buy yourself good kit, because good kit lasts, and I mean it really lasts. So take your time, have a look around, shop around and get some decent kit. Don't be the special person, don't be the plonker, and don't be the bell end, because you're better than that. Wear the right gear, be protected, and you can pick up gear at decent prices still. You can get brands from motorcycle manufacturers at decent prices still. You don't have to go crazy and spend loads, but what I'll say is the more you spend on quality gear, the longer it's going to last you and you'll get your money's worth. Well, they're my 5 new rider mistakes, and hopefully people will watch this that are new and they won't make those mistakes, and it will all be a fantastic world. I'm sure there's many more mistakes that we see new riders make all the time. Please leave them in the comments. Please leave some advice for them as well. I just want to say a massive thank you for all the people that are subscribed to this channel. If you have not yet subscribed, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button, join the helmet head craziness on this channel. And I just want to say a quick thank you to my patrons. These guys and girls really rock because they help support this channel and help this channel grow. So thank you so much. Please check out their names in the credits, because every single one of them help this channel in a fantastic way. And then I want to say, if you're interested in buying any of the helmet head hoodie, some of the cool t-shirts, there's a new one for 2022, then check out the shop as well as obviously it sells the helmet head mug. And if you didn't know, everything you put in the helmet head mug tastes 1,000 times better, not proven or guaranteed. And then of course we live by the gospel of life on this channel, and that's eat pie, ride motorcycles and be happy. I'll see you in the next fun, crazy, bonkers helmet head adventure. Bye bye for now.